Hi, my name is ux412, and I'm taking on the scientific perspective of human trafficking. My candidate number is 0042, and my center number is ux412. First off, let's talk about the definition of human trafficking. The definition of human trafficking is the act or practice of illegally transporting one person from country to country illegally to use them for sex or labor acts. People also use these people to take organs and use different ways to manipulate these people. What is a scientific perspective? A scientific perspective is using graphs and data and GPS locations to be able to track down and fight down an issue. Graphs and data are developing throughout our society. They have been used to take on multiple issues, and you can use GPS locations, and research has been done to be able to fight this issue. Let's look at this from a local standpoint. Florida is the third highest human trafficking state in the country of United States. 24.9 million victims of human trafficking have been announced in Florida. 64% of them have been exploited for labor, 19% have been used for sexual purposes, and 17% for imposed forced labor. These graphs have been increasing over time. We can look at this from a global perspective as well, seeing how there has been a bunch of cases of human trafficking throughout global issues. And so solutions. Some of the solutions can include using graphs and data to find hotspots for these human trafficking locations, to know where is safe and what is not safe to be in these locations. We can use these graphs to use GPS locations to know where not to go when it's not the right time to do it. We're going to focus on stopping the problem. Stopping the problem, we're going to use these graphs, and we're going to develop data to be able to know when and when to not, and where to go to not be in harm's way. My teammates' perspective, they took on a political, economic, and a technological perspective. The political perspective was they were going to make a law in order to cut down on human trafficking. The technology perspective, they chose to make an app in order to, if you're in harm or danger, to alert the law enforcement. And the economic perspective chose to make a fundraiser in order to stop the human trafficking. My perspective is best because, first of all, the political perspective, many laws have been implemented and people break these laws. Also, as the technological perspective, not everybody carries a cellular device on them. Why my perspective is best is because these graphs and data can also help law enforcement, and it can improve the political perspective. So we are pretty much the feeder for stopping human trafficking. What should be taken from this issue? If you guys know the movie Taken, it's about a girl that got human trafficked and she got used for labor. And my whole objective was to find a solution through graphs and data so that we can avoid this. And the Taken is that, I can paraphrase from the movie, is that we have a very special set of skills. We will stop you, and we will find you, and we will stop you. Thank you for listening. Here's my words cited.